Thank you for moderator. Hi, I'm Takanori ARIMA, the Executive Director, Environment Bureau, the City of Kitakyushu. Today, I would like to appreciate to give me the opportunity to present the city-city cooperation project between Phong and Kitakyushu. Both cities have jointly conducted many environmental projects and have deep mutual friendship as sister cities. With the support of the Ministry of the Environment, Government of Japan will start a new green growth project to expand renewable energy this fiscal year. I hope that this project will encourage Phong to realize decarbonization in 2050. Also, I would like to do our best to ensure that this ambitious project creates a virtuous cycle of environmental economy in both Vietnam and Japan. Okay, so next for me, the Ms. Dung, dear business partner of Phong, will give her greeting. Please, Ms. Dung, thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Takanori ARIMA. Ladies and gentlemen, as you may know, the cooperation of Kitakyushu and since 2014, we become sister city. And since then, the two cities have actively implemented different cooperation in different sectors. Especially, we have experienced different valuable joint projects in environment sector in order to promote the green growth in Phong. As an industrial city in Vietnam, the city of Phong, of course, still faces many challenges in greenhouse gas emission reduction. And we are willing to lead the city local governments in Vietnam in zero carbon developments in collaboration with Kitakyushu. Currently, we are working with Kitakyushu friends on a project to promote eco-industrial parks to work carbon neutrality in Phong City. And now I would like to introduce Mr. Kohei HIBINO from the Kitakyushu Urban Center, IGES, to present about this project. Mr. Kohei HIBINO, please.
Thank you, Mr. Arima and Ms. Dung. And Xin Chào and good morning, everybody. Let me share my slides. Okay, can you hear this? Can you see?
Yes, we can see and hear clearly.
Okay. Okay. My name is Kohei HIBINO. I'm a program manager at Institute for Global Environmental Strategies, or IGES in short. I'm very pleased to have this opportunity to share what IGES is doing together with Phong City and Kitakyushu City. What I'm going to share today is a brief outline of the city-to-city collaboration project that was recently accepted. As we have just started our survey, we don't have tangible results yet to share, unfortunately, but so this would be a plan for the next coming few years. So this is a collaborative efforts together with both cities, several private companies in Vietnam and Japan, and IGES taking the coordinating role. Oops. Oh yeah. As a background, the intercity cooperation between the two cities started back in 2009 when they signed the MOU for friendship cooperation. Then in 2014, MOU on sister city was signed and the Green Growth Promotion Plan of Phong City was developed together. And since then, both cities have been working closely to implement 15 model projects identified in the Green Growth Promotion Plan. And after 10 years of cooperation in 2019, new MOUs were signed with 2 leading industrial estates in Haiphong to promote eco-industrial parks. These MOUs became the basis of this current project. Both Kitakyushu City and Haiphong City have the feature of industrial cities where there are high demand of energy and CO2 emission reduction is a challenge. The left-hand figure shows that the aim scenario analysis of Haiphong City with a target of 45% GHG reduction until 2050 compared to BAU scenario, which is aligned with the national target. As you can see, the orange portion is industry and occupies more than 50% of the entire emissions. The right-hand figure shows the breakdown of the industrial sector, and it shows that the energy saving in factory, which is in blue color, are regional energy and regional energy supply system in green color, occupies a large portion, indicating that these sectors have large GHG emission reduction potentials. So our survey has taken into account these characteristics of Haiphong City in the design and strategy. As the previous speakers has already mentioned, the Prime Minister of Vietnam, Mr. Chin, has pledged that Vietnam will strive for carbon neutrality by 2050 at the COP26 last month in Glasgow. At the same occasion, a side event entitled Leading Efforts Toward Achievement of Zero Carbon Cities was organized by the Ministry of the Environment, Japan, and both Kitakyushu City and Haiphong City were represented, including Ms. Dung. And both cities emphasized the interest of leading the zero carbon city development through the intercity collaborations. And this project is expected to play a key role. This figure shows the overall project outline of the city-to-city collaboration project of Kitakyushu City and Haiphong City. Through the knowledge transfer from Kitakyushu City on renewable energy installations, and eco-town management and project development covering wide sector, the major aims to achieve, the project aims to achieve zero emission industrial estates as the ultimate goal. So we are not just interested in reducing GHG emissions from the industry sector, but also want to promote circular economy by enhancing the recovery and recycling of waste and wastewater generated from the industrial estates. As much as possible. The project duration of the city-to-city collaboration projects is maximum of 3 years. And through conducting extensive survey and know-how transfers, we are aiming to identify and develop feasible JCM projects. We are also hoping that it will support the target industrial estates obtaining the eco-industrial park accreditations. And in the meanwhile, it is also expected that policy dialogues between the two cities on zero carbon cities, including application of AIM low carbon scenario modeling, will be conducted alongside this project. As such, through both hardware and software assistances, we are hoping that Haiphong City will become a model for zero carbon city development in Vietnam. In order to realize the objectives of this project, we have developed a survey team under the existing cooperation framework of the two cities. We are targeting 2 leading industrial estates in Haiphong, which Kitakyushu City has exchanged MOU with. Those are the Namkongkien Industrial Park and Deep Sea Industrial Zones. We will be conducting surveys in 4 different sectors in cross-cutting manner. And in each survey sector, leading environment technology or system providers in Japan will be closely working together with the local partners to conduct feasibility studies. As for the knowledge transfer, Kitakyushu City has been working very hard to promote 100% renewable energy installation in all public buildings in the city, which accounts for more than 2,000 facilities. The key point of this system is the what we call third-party ownership model that allows quick installation of renewable energies and other low carbon technologies without requiring initial investment costs. In the project, we will be seeking possibilities of transferring this know-how to Haiphong City, targeting the industrial estates, and by customizing it to match the local needs and circumstances. For project development, we will be conducting feasibility studies to identify promising JCM model projects covering a wide range of sectors in industrial estates, which includes energy savings, renewable energy, energy management, and waste energy recovery. And it is intended that installation of these low carbon technologies are closely aligned with and will contribute to the three key concepts of the eco-industrial park, which is resource efficiency, industrial symbiosis, and cleaner production. So that's all for my presentation. If you have any questions, please feel free to get in touch with either of us. Thank you for listening. Come on.